Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to see auto attack range in League of Legends. Before we do begin though, make sure to like the video if it helps, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is basically pressing the A key for attack move, or by holding down the C key to view your advanced stats and range circle. Now, pressing the A key, basically the default is A, temporarily shows a circle around your champion, currently on the ground, as you can see. Now, you can also try to enable show attack range. Basically, it's on the settings. Go to interface, look for ability and attack display, and turn on show attack range or show attack move range, so the circle appears whenever you use attack move. So you can also either hold C as a third option, and then it'll show also the advanced stats of your champions. So basically, it's a detailed stats menu along with the permanent visual indicator of your auto attack range will help. For me, I'd like to use C. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.